So in our first video we looked at the basic extrude and shell feature to create the block that we can now see on the screen. We're now going to take that forward and have a look at how we can render it. So I'm going to click on applications from the top and then click on render studio. And it comes through and it started to render. We can have a play about with lots of different things. I've just gone into appearances and clicked down here and I've got all different types of materials. There's metals, there's types of wood, there's paint. We'll start with spray paint and I'll just do a blue. So I've just clicked on spray paint, I'm going to click on the blue, click the whole thing and press OK. And then what will happen is it will start to render that blue. It will take some time. It might be worth at this point clicking on real time and settings and just upping from basic to a full simulation, and I'll just run that on 3 of my 4 cores and I'll just let that run through. And what's going to happen, that is going to then render my building block and get better and better and better. If you're not happy with what you've done, you can easily change it. So if I go, and because it's a building block and I want to see the inside of it because we've shelled it, if I go down to, let's have a look, glass, gemstone's always a good one, and click, and you'll notice they all change colour, which is really helpful. If I find diamond, ruby, so if I just hold them up it tells me, so sapphire is a blue colour, click that, click on the part again, and then go over and click OK. It's going to start rendering it, but it's going to be see-through this time. There we go, it took a few minutes, but that's going to improve. So what we'll do is at the start of the video you'll see a nice rendered picture of what it is we're trying to make. Thanks for watching.